One of the facts of life is that change is constant, and this fact has never been more visible than now. Dear audience, I'm Nasima Sultana, and I teach English at Focus High School, Dharmashila campus. On behalf of everyone at school, I welcome you to the first video edition of our school magazine, Fenestra.
It's almost a year now when mankind was hit by a pandemic, loss of life, struggle for survival, and loss of income. We are still going through this major change in the entire world. Not only has it affected our monotonous routines, but also brought us closer to the realities of life. The good news is, we are still here and learning to accept the changes around us and being thankful to God for giving us the strength to survive this. We must also thank the people who served risking their lives. Why a video magazine? Well, why not? Given the present scenario, it is a great way to connect with our school community. Also, it may not be possible to distribute a printed copy of the magazine during this time. Let me take you quickly through the sections in this edition of Fenestra. In the beginning, you will take a peek into what teachers are doing to make the remote learning as effective and interesting as possible. Next, you will get to see some of the noticeable achievements we scored in these challenging times. And finally, our school leaders would like to share their thoughts with you.
It's a small video, so please watch it till the end. Thank you.
I am a MYP mathematics teacher at Focus High School. The knowledge, skills, and the attitudes that students develop in MYP mathematics provide a meaningful foundation for the further study and help to prepare students for careers in climate research, public policy development, engineering, financial analysis, economic development, and software development or biostatistics. In this video, some of the selected works of the students can be seen which demonstrate the development of ATL skills.
Now the common factor from this is x plus 6. X plus 6 is coming here also and here. So we can write x plus 6 and the leftover term here x plus 2. Then after all we need to transform our answer to find the x.
I am here to explain the 5 logarithm formulas and seeing the amazing methods that our sir showed us. First, here is our 5 formulas we are doing today. So we are going to take a digit number like log 0. And
in this video, we are going to cover 2 topics that are converting fractions into recurring decimals and converting recurring decimals to the fraction. So when we convert fractions into decimals, then we divide numerator by denominator. Like for example, converting 4 by 5, we can do 4 divided by 5, which is 0.8. The other example is 6 by 33, which is little bit difficult. The thing is, you have to convert denominator into 9s, which is 9, 99, 999, and so on. Then 6 over 33, we can make denominator as 99 by multiplying 33 by 3. When we multiply denominators, we have to multiply the numerator also, which is 6 by 3 is equals to 18. Then 18 over 99. We do not have denominators such as 999, 999, and so on. Then we can convert it in decimals. Then numerator becomes recurring decimal, which is 0.181818 and recurring.
These help students to keep themselves organized and to demonstrate persistence. This also helps develop new skills, techniques, and strategies for effective learning and personalized learning strategies. They can collect data and analyze data to help them make informed decisions. The ATL skill set prepares a child to become an independent learner for life.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन। 2020 इम्तिहान और आजमाइश का साल रहा। ये इम्तिहान ना सिर्फ असातिज़ा, तलबा बल्कि औलियाए तलबा सभी के लिए था, लेकिन ख़ासकर असातिज़ा का इम्तिहान ज़्यादा सख्त था क्योंकि इसमें इन्हें ऑनलाइन तालीम को आसान और मौसर बनाने के साथ साथ इसे दिलचस्प भी बनाना था। इस सिलसिले में हमने कई इक़दाम किए, ख़ासकर काहूट का इस्तेमाल। काहूट क्या है? काहूट एक गेम बेस्ड लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म है। काहूट का इस्तेमाल हम कब करते हैं? काहूट का इस्तेमाल हम तदरीस के बाद करते हैं। जब बच्चे अपना सबक पढ़ लेते हैं तो हम इस पर मुख्तसर सी क्विज़ देते हैं। काहूट के इस्तेमाल से बच्चों में काफ़ी जोश व खरोश देखा जा रहा है। इंशाअल्लाह आइंदा भी हम इस तरह के इक़दाम करेंगे जिसमें बच्चों में जोश व खरोश में इजाफ़ा हो और उनकी दिलचस्पी का सबब करार पाए। शुक्रिया।
Inquiry allows students to be curious, to wonder and ask questions. It helps teacher to enhance learning in classroom and improve the quality of learning. I would like to share a few of my inquiry-based tasks. Interview of a migrant about his struggles during migration.
Did you face any difficulty in communicating with people there?
Yes, initially, of course, yes, because we are more used to the British way of speaking, but here in America, obviously, things are a little different.
Students at our Focus High School are enjoying learning by using internet, Google Classroom, Zoom Classroom. Especially in the Zoom, we are helping our students to provide a platform where they can interact with us. In the Zoom classroom, whatever the material is given, they are working out. We can see that by using CK12 material which is provided by our school, which is free on the internet, and our science department is using it. In this material there are flicks. Flicks means PLIX, stand for playing, interacting, exploring. Our students are trying to reach the higher levels of the skills, because skill level indicator is also there. In that, it can be going from beginning to the mastery. In between, exploring, developing and proficient levels are there. All the students are trying their level best to go to the higher level, because it is a differentiated teaching method in which whatever the level student is there, he can check those questions themselves and answer, and we are providing a great platform for them to learn.
తరగతి గదిలో విద్యార్థులతో తెలుగులో మాట్లాడించడం ఎలా? విద్యార్థులలో తెలుగు పట్ల ఉన్న భయాన్ని పోగొట్టడానికి వారిని తెలుగులో మాట్లాడించాలి. విద్యార్థులు తెలుగులో ఎలా మాట్లాడగలరో ఈ వీడియో ద్వారా చూద్దాం. సయ్యదా, నీవు ప్రతిరోజు ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత ఏం చేస్తావమ్మా?
నేను ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత అమ్మకు సహాయం చేస్తాను, టీవీ చూస్తాను, ఇచ్చిన హోంవర్క్ పూర్తి చేస్తాను, ప్రార్థన చేస్తాను.
మొహమ్మద్, నీవు ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత చదువుకోవడానికి సమయాన్ని ఎలా కేటాయిస్తున్నావు?
ఉదయం 1 గంట నేను మ్యాథ్స్ చేస్తాను, 1 గంట ఫిజిక్స్ బయో చదువుతాను, సాయంత్రంలో 1 గంట తెలుగు చదువుతాను, 1 గంట హోంవర్క్ చేస్తాను.
కేవలం పుస్తకాలు చదవడం వలన తెలుగు రాదు. ప్రతిరోజు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడే సాధన చేయాలి, అప్పుడే తెలుగు వస్తుంది. దీనికి తల్లిదండ్రులు మరియు ఉపాధ్యాయుల ప్రోత్సాహం ఎంతో అవసరం.
Design is one of the compulsory subjects of IB middle years program. In MYP, design challenges all students to apply practical and creative thinking skills to solve problems. Please look at these works done by class 7 students Shireen and Fizza. Shireen and Fizza used IB design cycle as model of thinking and completed criteria C that demands creating solutions. As a designer, Shireen designed Focus High School logo using digital tool Canvas. Fizza designed a mask, personal protective equipment for healthcare workers by labeling the key features. Students also made video presentations. Here is one example. Class 7 student Batul Zaidi, who made a short video presentation. As a designer, she approached the problem of COVID pandemic, where healthcare workers who were facing shortage of PPE while treating patients in hospitals.
The design cycle is divided into 4 stages: inquiring and analyzing, developing ideas, creating the solution, last and the final, evaluating.
Along the Lines, an online performance created by the students of Focus High School based on the story The Magic Mango written by Amelia Bonnell. The performance involved participation of students from classes 6 to 9th. The students explored the idea of home, distance and communication. The entire performance was recorded on Zoom and the children performed from the comforts of their own home. The performance was viewed both nationally and internationally. A rap song by Mehdi Dashti based on telegraphy was the highlight of the performance. Anuja Ghosalkar, a theatre artist from Bangalore, facilitated the students and tried to create an imaginative story based on their experiences.
I'm Anuja Ghosalkar, the director and the person who's conceived this afternoon's show, Along the Lines. It is performed by the students of Focus High School, Darul Shifa, Hyderabad.
ब्रिटिश राज में यूज होता था। टेलीग्राफ अल्फाज फ्रेंच में बना था।
ये देखिए, ये है मेरे दादा की बुक और ये है मेरे दादा की पिक्चर और मेरे दादा की बुक का नाम है रोज़तुल मनाक़िब और मेरे दादा का नाम है मीर इब्राहिम अली हामी। तो मैं आपको एक शेर भी पढ़ के सुनाऊंगी। मेरे दादा एक शायर है और बहुत सारे शेर लिखते हैं, तो ये एक शेर पढ़ के सुनाती हूँ आपको। जो खाए जो की रोटी, जो खाए जो की रोटी, बादशाह बहरबर होकर, वो नफ्स किबरिया है दहर में मिसले बेसर होकर।
दिल्ली की सबसे अच्छा मॉन्यूमेंट जो मुझे लगता है वो है कुतुब मीनार, तो अब मैं यहीं से कुतुब मीनार जाकर बताऊंगी। 500, 1000, 80, पहुंच गई मैं कुतुब मीनार।
मेरे मौला मौला रे।
That was excellent.
That was wonderful. I haven't seen anything like this. It was just absolutely wonderful.
देश में चलते कोविड-19 की महामारी से बचने के लिए हम सभी ने बहुत से प्रयास किए। इस महामारी में सभी मजदूर, किसानों तथा नियोक्ताओं को बड़ा ही नुकसान उठाना पड़ा, पर हमने हार नहीं मानी। छात्रों को ऑनलाइन पढ़ाया गया तथा प्रतियोगिताओं में भी हिस्सा लेने के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया गया और 16 सितंबर को छात्रों सहित हिंदी दिवस मनाया गया। कक्षा 6, 7 और 8 के छात्रों ने हम कैसे स्वयं को कोविड-19 से बचा सकते हैं विषय पर पोस्टर बनाने को कहा गया। छात्रों ने बड़े ही सुंदर ढंग से रंगों का उपयोग कर गूगल क्लासरूम द्वारा भेजाने को कहा गया। उसी तरह कक्षा 9 के छात्रों ने भी किस तरह हम पर्यावरण का संरक्षण कर सकते हैं विषय पर नारे लिखने को कहा गया और कक्षा 10 के छात्रों ने कोविड-19 और उसके संभावित समाधान के दौरान कैसे समस्याओं का सामना करना पड़ा विषय पर छात्र अपने अपने विचार देकर बड़ी ही सुंदर रचना वीडियो द्वारा भेजाने को कहा गया तथा हर कक्षा से तृतीय, द्वितीय तथा प्रथम पुरस्कार भी दिया गया।
लेकिन जब पढ़ाई रुक गई है तो भारत आगे कैसे बढ़ेगा? जी हाँ, अध्यापिका ने मिलकर यह भी योजना बनाई कि वो जूम ऐप पर अपने छात्रों को पढ़ाएंगे। लेकिन पढ़ाने के बावजूद कुछ छात्रों के घर पर वाईफाई की सुविधा नहीं थी, तो माता पिता ने बातचीत स्कूल वालों से कर अपने बच्चों को स्कूल भी जाकर क्लास अटेंड करते थे। लेकिन मुश्किल की घड़ी अभी यहाँ खत्म नहीं हुई थी। ऐसे कई मुश्किलें आएंगे और हमें उनका उपाय ढूंढना होगा।
शुभ प्रभात, मैं मारिया कक्षा 10वीं की छात्रा हूँ और आज मैं आप सभी से कोविड-19 से होने वाली समस्या और उसके क्या समाधान है, मैं उसके बारे में आप सबको बताना चाहती हूँ।
Dear students, since this lockdown, I am sure you all might be missing this library. For this reason, we have created a virtual library for you all. Come, let me show you how it works.
So students, welcome to MYP Virtual Library. As you can see, this is the home page. So here you have a lot of icons where you can choose. First we'll go to the library. Once you click the library, you will get again different types of icons. I'd like to show you this one, 1001 books. So once you click, you will open a new page. It has beautiful collection of books. You can click any one of them and start reading. So more books are going to be added. Take this opportunity to read from this collection. And then we'll again go back to home from the sidebar you see on the left. And here you can find student resources. Now this is slowly being updated. I would like to show you one interesting thing here. Like if you go to geography drop down menu, you go to, for example, natural hazards. Now this is according to the MYP syllabus. Like you can go through all this, and it is something like revising the whole unit what you have learned in the class. And there are a lot of online courses which are free on different topics, so you can avail the opportunity wherever it is given here. So I'll again go back to student resources. Another interesting thing I would like to show here is, like in economics we have Global Citizen, and there is a unique online course which is absolutely free for you all. You can take this course anytime whenever you get time. I just highlight you that course here. Go down. So there are different kind of resources here. Now this is the one I'm talking about, Global Citizenship, the first digital course on global citizenship for school students. There are many such courses you'll find as you browse the website. Then you come back to home again. There is another interesting page which we have made. It's called Interactive Resources. Once you click on that, you'll find amazing links which opens to resources where there are simulations. For example, let's go to Java Lab. Now Java Lab has interesting resources for physics, like science simulations. So avail this opportunity, and you can really understand the concepts in physics, chemistry and mathematics. There are many such resources which are on this page. And then coming to other kind of links here which are being updated. One interesting link you'll find is how things work. We are working on it to add more videos and information. So there are simple videos which are chosen from a number of videos so that students can understand much better. So thank you. I hope you will really take advantage of this beautiful website. Thank you very much.
Dear parents and children, with this message, you will receive our latest edition of the newsletter Fenestra. Fenestra is a window into the teaching and learning activities that happen in our school. I hope you'll take some time to read my article in this edition, which is titled Focusing Inward, a Curriculum for Tarbiyat and Spiritual Growth. As you know, our school aims to help children develop holistically, and if they are going to develop as a whole human being, then they must have a basis for sound values and a purposeful life. They have to learn how to inquire into their own selves, to seek to understand God, and to take action once they gain that understanding. The Tarbiyat curriculum is a crucial step for our school, and so I hope that you'll take some time to read the article and to give us your valuable feedback. I hope you enjoy this latest digital edition of the Fenestra.